How to start a podcast without any money. Don't forget to like and subscribe. These are the best tips you're going to get. First thing you got to do. So I got 2 phones like Kevin Gates. But so this little iPhone right here, even this one, this is the Google Pixel. With your iPhone, all I would do is I would go and I'd put it in 4K and I would record it. And then you can record it and you can pull the audio, you can upload it on your computer. Then you can split the audio from the video and then take that audio and upload it to Libsyn. So you have to pay like $7 a month to Libsyn. But that's all you got to do. And you upload it and there you go. Like legitimately, that's all you need. And you can just sit there and you can talk shit on your phone. You can look at it and talk shit. I know like Russell Brunson legitimately just does voice memos. He doesn't even do video. He does a voice memo on his phone, talks into his phone for like 15 minutes, and then he publishes it. That's all you need. So that's even freer. Like you don't even need a good phone. You can just have like your headphones in and start talking and then upload it into Libsyn. So like you're at $7 a month at that point. Easy money. And I think everybody should have a podcast. You should document your journey and your story. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe. And what would be a hidden gem for at the end of this one? Okay. If you watch this, if you want help starting a podcast, send me a DM saying podcast. And with whatever questions you have, and I'll send you a voice memo. And you got to send me a DM on Instagram @StratDaddy. Thank you guys so much.